Welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be designing a restaurant flyer suitable for Instagram posts. So this is our Instagram blank page. Let's go to element to get a background. I'll be using this background. This is called red background texture. Just search for a red textured background in the element. You find something like this, or you can use the exact one I'm using. So let's set this as background image and go to get a test. Today's duplicate it, special. Now we can change the font for this. Let's use Buffalo. Increase the text and change the font color to white. Let's also change the font color, font type for this. We're using rustic. Rustic. It should be rustic printed. Rustic printed stamp. Change the font size to, let's increase it to around 50. And let's change the color. I want an orange color, so let's see this. And let's go to apps to generate a wave. Just search for wave generator in your apps. You find this app here. You can increase the slider just to create the kind of wave we want. When you're satisfied, you can add to design. Alternatively, you can use the element to search for wave. So it all depends on your choice. Change the color. Duplicate. And let's go to element to get another element for this project. This is called, it's untitled, but you can search for chicken wings. Once you search for chicken wings, you'll find it. Resize it. Get a drop shadow, dark drop shadow. Rotate. We also need to resize it. And center back. And let's get yet another test. Menu. We want this menu to be in capital letters, so let's change it. Let's also change the font. Art Nouveau Stamp, that's the name of the font. Now let's change the color of this text. Let's change it to white. And we also need to increase the size. Position it properly. And let's increase the size for this special. And let's rotate this today just a little. All right. We need to move our food to align properly with this, and also our shape, shadow rather. Let's go back to elements to get this fried chicken. Crispy fried chicken, that's the name. Resize it. And take it to this position. And we need to blur the image. The blur effect. Select whole image and then increase the intensity of the blur. When you're satisfied, you can then close it. Let's go back to elements. This element is called water splash element. Select it. Then flip horizontal. Change the colors to white. Let's duplicate this chicken. Reduce the size. And place it somewhere here. Center back. Let's get this element as well. This is also a water splash element. Water splash dodo, that's the name. Resize it. And change the color. Let's get this element as well. This one is called water wave logo. Reduce the size. Let's change the colors. Duplicate this so we can enter the text. Limited offer. Resize it. And let's change the text font. everything. Yeah, this one. Resize one more time. Let's also resize this. You need to give this a different shape. Maybe 18 is okay. Then place it here. You can rotate this. Let's change the color of the text to this orange. Let's get this element here. It is called tomato slice. You also need this chili pepper. Just search for chili, you find it. Resize, rotate. Let's resize it a little more. Also give this a blur effect as well. Let's get this element. Order now. If you search for order now, you find it. Resize. Place it here. And let's change this red to this darker shade here. Let's also get this arrow, rotate it. Resize. Give it a white color. Let's get a test. So we can enter phone number. Our design is almost done. 234 702 123. And let's change the font. We're using this font. Change the color to white and reduce the size to 27.5. It's cool. Duplicate it so we can enter our website. www.food order.com. Align them properly. We need another element so we can darken some part of this design. This is a black transparent gradient. If you search for black transparent gradient, you find it. Let's duplicate this one. And flip vertical. And let's get this orange splash paint. Orange splash paint, that's the name. Yeah, orange paint splash. Resize it. We can put it somewhere here. Or here. Duplicate this text so we can enter. %. Duplicate it, 50% off. That's what we want for 50%. We can change this text. To buffalo. And let's get our logo. This should be the last thing we need for this design. Resize and position it. So this is our design. I hope you try it out and let's see what you got. Thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe if you have not done so. You can also click on the notification bell so that anytime I make new videos, you'll be the first to know. Thank you so much.